Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need a new paint job or touch-up, transmission work, or a tune-up. When you come to CarPros Kia for service or maintenance, we strive to get your repairs done right the first time. From oil changes to transmission replacements, our factory-trained technicians are dedicated to maintaining top-tier customer service for all of our customers. Visit us at www.carproskiacarson.com. While you're there, schedule a service appointment. Find out about our internet specials. Find out more about our no-haggle pricing. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. CarPros Kia is located at 21243 South Avalon Boulevard in Carson, California.